Look at this one.
Okay, let's watch this one.
Oh, what? Man, it wasn't.
Wow, what a ripoff!
If you do that, let me know so I can video it again. Oh, don't worry. I'm doing the same one.
It's a little different. His libel has a little more.
I can't see you.
Make sure he's facing the right direction.
Teresa over there.
What's his light now?
How do I?
Basically the same thing.
He is lighting a Chinese firework. You know, China could kill a lot of Americans if they made these fireworks.
Oh, what? Come on.
We're coming in for a close-up. Oh, shit! Look at that! They're trying to kill me. Ah! Oh, damn, that was a little close there. Shit! That sucked majorly.